What's the meaning of addictive? Addictive. 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 The word addictive refers to something that is habit-forming or having a strong compulsion to repeatedly engage in a particular activity, behavior, or substance. Such activities can lead to dependence, craving, and withdrawal symptoms when discontinued. Addiction can have negative consequences, such as social isolation, financial problems, and health issues. Those who engage in addictive behaviors may struggle to control their impulses and find themselves unable to stop despite the detrimental effects it may have on themselves and their loved ones. It is important to recognize and seek help when struggling with addiction to prevent further harm and improve overall well-being.